Spooky. Right, okay, wheels. We're on to wheels. The most boring part of the process. You've got your thin strips. We're going to cut them out with a 38mm hole saw bit. For my trains and stuff, I use a 25mm one. If you're going to get a hole saw bit, don't cheap out on them, because I did, and they took forever. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill through to virtually the bottom of the boatwood. Then we're going to turn it over so that we can take that out the hole saw easier. I'm trying to, basically I have to do this again because my gauge is broken, so I can't, it's not ideal. Hopefully I'll get a better drill bit, pillar, you know, one of these. I'll get one of these later, but at the moment we're on this one. Okay. Let's do this. Goggles.
Can I do slow-mo on this one?
No, you cannot do slow-mo on this one. Okay, we're going to do a quick cheeky, just a face sand, just to get rid of any sort of, you know, from the table saw, which we did earlier. Okay, this is the dullest part. This is sanding the wheels. So as you can see, we've got a plug-in drill because I was using my Makita, which was battery powered, and that's a really expensive drill, and it's not good for the drill, I don't think. And this is more powerful, so it's good. So what we've got is we've got a 6mm, M8 bolt, hex bolt, which we've which we've put into the drill. We then got a nut, and then on either side, in between the nut, get up close for this. We pop on the old wheel. Then we've got to tighten each. Tighten it on, and then mask on.
Oh, put mine on.
I'm gonna put these on. And then, layer up a few ones because with these holes, I mean, use normal sandpaper. Don't be like me and use discs. But this is all I have, so I've layered up a few because otherwise it will burn on your hands through those holes. And then you're sanding it and you're getting rid of the edges at the same time. Like so. So that's an 80 grit, 80. And then we're going to use a 150 just to smooth it down. There we go.
I see.
Got your lovely wheel.
Ah, that's beautiful.
Well, I mean, let's not go that far, but...
No, it's cute.
Well, it's not finished yet.
Oh.
Got 4 more to do, and then...
Actually, I just wanted evidence of you using a Hoover. That I did that in portrait by accident. I'm still recording.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. 9mm. Right, so we use... Where's my 9mm drill bug gone?
Well, if it was tidy.
You've done that joke already? You can't do the same joke over and over again.
Whatever.
9mm. Yes. Right, so now we have... Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Now we have lovely smooth wheels.
See?
No.
Nice.
We need to, because we use 9mm CE tested dowel. We tested it with MTS Labs. Thank you very much, MTS. So we then need to make the holes in the middle. They're only 6mm because when you have a hole saw bit, it's normally a 6mm bit in there. So we pop them in the vise. Pop them in the cheeky vise. Let's get them back. Squeeze.
Yeah, squeeze in the...
do with the wheels is just, as you can see, there's little bits of burr. Can you see on the there?
Good word, burr.
Burr. No, I think that's a word. I don't know, to be honest. So we just sand that off quickly. If we plug this in, then we would sand it off.